Right. In Python, strings can have two operations. One is concatenation, the other one is replication. Concatenation, replication. What is concatenation? Concatenation means nothing but adding side by side. For example, if you say hello, this is one, then SS is equal to world. I have two strings. If I both some T is equal to S plus SS, that means that when you print T, it gives hello world. That means strings are concatenated one by one. That means are added side by side. This type of addition is called concatenation. But whereas if you go for numbers 10 plus 20, it is 30. This is called accumulation. Accumulation is different from concatenation. Concatenation word is used for only strings. Accumulation is used for numbers, right? So this type of thing can be used in our programming. That means characters can be added, strings can be added. And the other word is replication. What is replication? For replication, you are going to use multiply symbol. What does it mean, replication? A symbol is repeated several times. For example, if you say S is equal to, okay, space hyphen into 5, that means in the S there will be 5 hyphens. For example, S is equal to cat into 3. In S there are 3 cats. That means if you print S, it prints cat, cat, cat like that. This is called replication. How many times cat is replicated? 3 times. Sometimes this may be useful. This is called replication and this is called concatenation. These two symbols can be used on strings in Python. This is concatenation, this is replication. We use in our programming. When programming comes, we use. I want to know whether the string is a palindrome string or not. See my program. What is palindrome string? Palindrome string means when you give a word, suppose noon. When you give a word noon, when you reverse it, it's again noon. Since both are same, it is palindrome. It is palindrome. What is meant by palindrome? When you reverse a string, the reverse also should be the same. Okay? This is called palindrome. So my program has to find out whether a given string is palindrome or not. I am writing my program. See, so palindrome string, palindrome string. What I am going to use here? Some S. S is equal to input, enter a string. Okay. Here I am going to take a variable called reverse because I want to make reverse. I gave in the reverse two quotations, double quotes. If I give two quotations closely without any space, it is called a null. It is called a null. Null is different from a space. I have not given the space. I gave a null. Null in the sense nothing. How we give for normal variables? Numeric variables 0. Similarly, you can give a string variable null. Null in the sense nothing like 0. Okay. Then come to this point. So now I took a variable called reverse null. Right. Then right. For this I am taking a loop. And of course you can also have the length also. So L is equal to len of S. I am taking the string length. Later I am giving like this. For I in range, L minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. That means I am going to read the string from reverse. Therefore I gave L minus 1 is the starting position, minus 1 in the sense it comes up to 0, and step is minus 1, reverse, the for loop. Then reverse is equal to reverse plus s of I. Okay, if reverse is equal to yes, then print it is a palindrome string, else print not palindrome string. Okay, right? This is what is the program. I am now explain this. Say my string is, suppose you take a small one, that means moon. I am taking moon. Moon is a not a palindrome string. We have to prove our program with our program. Then I have to take the reverse. The reverse is initially a null. This is called a null. Null in the sense nothing. If it is a number, we would have given a 0. Since it is a string, a null should be given. So reverse is null, nothing is there. Then what is L? L is 4, of course. For I in range, because I want to read, these are the positions now, 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position. From third position onwards, I have to come back. Therefore, what I am doing, for I in range, L minus 1 in the sense 4 minus 1, 3. From 3, it is minus 1 in the sense it comes from 3 to 0. 3, 2, 1, 0 will come. It decrements. This is telling that step is decrement. So I is now 3. What is S of 3? S of 3 is n. Therefore reverse is equal to nothing. Nothing plus n. So n. Then next I is 2. Since S of I is O, reverse is already n. It is now NO. So n plus O, NO. Next goes back. I is now 1. The one character is O. Already reverse is NO. So the addition is, concatenation is NOO. Next, the I is 0. Okay. What is S of 0? M. Reverse equal to reverse. Reverse is NOO. Then M is added. Concatenation means side by side addition. Then I is stopped. So it comes back. It comes down. So what is by that time reverse? It is noom. What is original? It is moon. Therefore it is not palindrome. Right? Next, you take one more example now. You take the example, the same thing. You take noon. S is noon. Earlier we took moon. Now it is noon. The reverse is null, nothing. L is 4. For I in range from L minus 1. L minus 1 in the sense 4. 4 minus 1. From 3 to minus 1 in the sense it takes from 3 to 0. Right? The I value is 3. What is S of 3? It is n. N is added to reverse. That is n. Next 2. Yes. S2. What is S2? S2 0, 1, 2, 3. S2 is O. That O is added to reverse. Next 1. What is S1? S1 is O. That O is added to reverse. That is NOO. Next 0. What is S0? S0 is n. That is n. N is added to reverse. That is noon. then loop is over, comes down, is reverse is equal to yes, yes, reverse is equal to yes, therefore it says that it's a palindrome string.